Hey everybody, Barbara Drazga here, and today I'm going to do a recap of the lesson 1 from the free wholesale workshop that runs through February 14th, 2020. So go ahead and go to freewholesaleworkshop.com so you can register to get all 4 lessons. And in this quick video, I'm just going to give you a recap to give you a little bit of a teaser of lesson 1 that just became available a couple of days ago. So we're talking about how to sell on Amazon in 2020 and beyond with no experience required using the wholesale sourcing method taught by Dan Meadors and Dylan Frost. So recap of lesson 1, we're going to talk about how to sell on Amazon using wholesale method. And the method that we'll be discussing is reverse sourcing wholesale, which is the opposite of the industry standard. So it's a method that's specific to Amazon sellers using Amazon's own data. And in this video, about 15 minutes in, Dylan starts talking about what reverse sourcing wholesale is. So be sure to watch the whole video at freewholesaleworkshop.com. Then he's going to talk about that one of the wonderful qualifiers of the reverse sourcing method is the difficult approval process with brand owners. And that's good because when something's a little bit harder to do, that means people we call lazy sellers go away, and that means there's less competition on items that you'd like to sell. So the 3 main components of reverse sourcing are scouting for products, then actually sourcing the products, and then of course selling the product on Amazon's marketplace and getting really good at providing extra value, like through listing optimization, etc., on your listings on Amazon so that you can sell more for the places, the brand owners that you're sourcing them from. So the great filter is what makes brand owners want you as their seller, which means what's one thing that you can do to increase your sales, your perception, or your exposure in the eyes of a brand owner or a wholesale supplier. And Dylan goes into this concept in depth in lesson 1. So go to freewholesaleworkshop.com and watch lesson 1, and lesson 2 is now available as well. And when you sign up for any of the lessons, you get access to all 4 lessons. And remember, the lessons are only available, the free workshop's only available through February 14th. So go ahead and sign up for freewholesaleworkshop.com. That was just a really quick synopsis of video 1, lesson 1. But like I said, when you go sign up for the entire workshop, you get all of those 4 lessons all the way through February 14th. I look forward to seeing you in the workshop, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.